Can I recover my WhatsApp account using my email address or username?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing whether you can recover your WhatsApp account using your email address or username. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app used by millions of people worldwide, and losing access to your account can be quite distressing. So, let's dive in and find out the answer.
Recovering WhatsApp account.
WhatsApp offers a few options for recovering your account if you've lost access to it. The primary method involves verifying your phone number, as WhatsApp is primarily tied to your phone number. However, you can also recover your WhatsApp account using your email address or username in certain circumstances.
Phone number verification.
The most common way to recover your WhatsApp account is through phone number verification. When you install WhatsApp on a new device or reinstall it on the same device, you'll typically need to verify your phone number by receiving a verification code via SMS or phone call. This is to ensure that you are the rightful owner of the phone number associated with the account.
Email address and username recovery.
While phone number verification is the default method, WhatsApp does provide an alternative option for account recovery. If you've previously linked your email address to your WhatsApp account, you can use it to recover your account. When you are unable to verify your phone number, you'll be prompted to enter the associated email address. WhatsApp will then send an email with instructions to help you recover your account. On the other hand, recovering your account using just a username is not currently supported. WhatsApp primarily relies on phone numbers and email addresses for account recovery purposes. Therefore, if you haven't linked an email address to your account, using just the username won't allow you to recover it.
Additional tips.
To ensure a smooth account recovery process, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. 1. Keep your phone number and email address up to date in your WhatsApp account settings. This will help streamline the recovery process if you ever lose access to your account. 2. Regularly back up your WhatsApp data to prevent the loss of important messages and media. WhatsApp provides built-in options to back up your chats to Google Drive, Android, or iCloud, iOS. 3. Enable two-step verification in WhatsApp settings for an added layer of security. This feature requires you to set up a PIN that will be required when verifying your phone number. It adds an extra level of protection to your account. In conclusion, while phone number verification is the primary method for recovering your WhatsApp account, you can also recover it using your email address if it's linked to your account. However, solely using a username for recovery is not supported at this time. Remember to keep your contact information up to date, regularly back up your data, and enable two-step verification to ensure the security and accessibility of your WhatsApp account. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and take care.